Let's talk about the Titan submersible. It's a modern tragedy, really, all down to engineering.
You know, its mission was to visit the Titanic, but ironically, a similar hubris sealed its fate.
So the whole point was taking passengers down to the wreck, a crazy 3,800 meters deep.
So let's break down this failure. It really boils down to two critical engineering mistakes.
Okay, mistake number one. It was a huge gamble on the sub's main building material.
See, most deep-sea subs use titanium spheres. They handle stress perfectly and even bend before they break.
But OceanGate, they went with a carbon fiber cylinder, a material that's notoriously unpredictable under pressure.
And all that stress leads to something really dangerous called delamination.
So, here's the kicker. The hull got weaker and weaker with every single trip it took.
All right, on to the second fatal flaw. This one's all about how the sub was held together.
The Titan wasn't a single solid piece. It was basically a tube bonded to two titanium end caps.
And here's the problem. In the freezing deep, these materials shrink at totally different rates.
Down there, we're talking about nearly 38 megapascals of crushing pressure, just immense.
So that shrinking difference, it put a massive, unbearable amount of stress on those adhesive joints.
So that interface where everything was joined, it was literally a ticking time bomb.
So when you put it all together, you can see how these two flaws created a recipe for disaster.
First, a hull that just kept cracking under pressure, then glued joints being torn apart by physics.
The whole story really makes you wonder, right? When does bold innovation become a dangerous gamble?